Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, I'm excited because we had a beautiful evening with Gianluca from Sfizi di Calabria down in Marcellina. We had a wonderful time and he gave us the most amazing evening we've ever had, really. And I have to tell you, I'm going to do it in a series of maybe 3 or 4 videos because he taught us how to make ricotta cheese fresh from scratch, very simple, but you have to know what you're doing. Then they taught us how to make fusilli, which we all made. Then we made the sugo. Then we had the most magnificent meal ever where we ate everything we made. And then there was a charcuterie board, which was unbelievable, and cakes and liqueurs, and we didn't get home till 2 a.m., which was really, really fun. So anyway, we're gonna make these available to you, these experiences, but I wanted to give you a little heads up and a taste of it because it was really spectacular.